How to add a clickable phone number on Squarespace. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So basically, we want to allow our customers to see our phone number, and when they click on it on mobile phone, it's actually going to take them to their number pad, and it's just going to be saved for them. They can give us a call very easily instead of having to put it in. So to do so, it's very simple. First, you just need to go to your Squarespace website, log in, and just navigate to pages, or really just navigate to any place where you want to add your phone number, your clickable phone number. So here we can actually see we have this one at the footer, but let's say we just want to add it to the menu here, and not in the footer. Let's say we just want to add it down here, for example. So just go in and locate where you want it to be. Click on Edit. And then once you do that, just click on add block. And we basically just want to add a text block. So let's just go in and do that. Click on add block. Click on text or drag and drop it wherever you want it to be. That should be good for me. And then you really just want to type in your number, or maybe something like call us here, and then your number, whatever you want it to be really. So I can just do contact us here, and then I'm just going to do enter and add the phone number. And I'm just going to add the phone number right here. I'm sorry about my cat if you can hear them. So let's just do, so you can actually go in and insert the country code. Now I highly suggest that you do that if your site is international, because they are going to have to use the country code in order to give you a text or call. So I'm just going to go for this one, and then just a random number here. So let's say this is the number that I want. I'm just going to go ahead and copy it because I did not memorize it. And now what you need to do really after you type it out, you can feel free to adjust the alignment and stuff if you want to. But we just want, actually, let's just go back like this. What we want to do is just highlight the number and the number only. And once you highlight the number, just go in and click on this little link icon. Click on that, and then you just want to go ahead and add it. So you would want to do tel, so TEL, and then colon, so shift, and then just add the colon, and then just paste in the number or just type it out. Now you can actually go ahead and skip the country code if you don't want to use it. You can just add the phone number if you want to, if you're only, a local business, but most likely than not, you're just going to keep it in. And you can choose whether they're going to give you a call or text. It's just going to be a function within mobile phones. So yeah, just go and select whichever one and exit out of it. And now you can actually see it is underlined, meaning people can actually click on it. And if we just save and exit, we're good to go. The only thing is that with PC, you can't really click on it and expect something to happen because you're on computer. But if you're on your mobile device, it's actually going to open up your phone app, and it's actually going to insert it in there. If it's text, it's text. If it's call, and it's just going to allow you to do that as well. So hopefully you found this video to be informative, and thanks for watching.